Come test drive the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.